barn quilt.
Uh-huh.
That's what those are on the sides of barns? I never thought of them like barn quilts. Yeah, it kind of goes right through this shirt. Ooh.
Yeah.
Well, people still do. So 9-patch, so they just get patches and put them together and then call it just a 9-patch quilt?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because there's 3 squares on each row, 3, 6, 9.
God, I'm so stupid. I don't know.
Yeah, and you alternate your light
It
and your
doesn't,
dark.
I know, I can see 9 now that you explained it, but to me, there's 2, 4, 6, so there's 6,
Yes.
and then there's 5, and then there's 6.
Yeah.
To me is what I see. But
Yeah, and and the quilt that's on our bed is a 9-patch.
I'd never know.
Mm-hmm. That was the first quilt I ever made, was a 9-patch.
Are they one of those more simple type things, or?
Yeah. Yeah, it's
like
just
a
all
beginner?
straight edges, and so it's, yeah, it's good for a beginner.
There used to be something there, but they look like they've updated their posts. Oh look, everyone shows up. Move this down just a touch. Oh, this is where they hung that disobedient worker. I'm kidding. I don't think that was ever in Little House on the Prairie. And this is where she lived, and it was the inspiration for her to write that.
Yeah.
Which I think that's all cool.
Mm-hmm.
Which one was their original? That? Or that? These places are terrible for wasps. In the...
Oh, yeah.
Canton, Illinois. I know. I was worried about it too. We'll come back in the summer and be able to go inside there and see if they open up more stuff. But we really should come back. Closed for the winter, will open in the middle of March. Next year.
Oh, man.
No, it means this year.
Yeah. No.
I think it's just mainly a store. This is, but still be kind of neat to see what's in there. Oh, I missed that. Didn't even take a picture of me. farmhouse, right? Says this farmhouse. 18. Wait, no. Or is it that farmhouse? Which one's a farm? This looks like a farmhouse. What's... If this isn't the farmhouse, okay. But maybe that's the farmhouse, that little one. I guess it could be, but that just seems like a cabin. And this would, I would think 1880, this would be the style.
Yeah.
And they lived in the country. Why are they being so private? I think those are 1880. Sit on them. Man, it's crazy how long. If our stuff can be made to last, if we, the thing is, if we take care of it, it'll last.
Yes.
The Egyptians didn't take care of the pyramids, and they lasted. The Ingalls. Oh, I missed that. Big sign there. Is a cabin. It's going to get you.
Yeah, she's pretty. She might hit you with her tail.
That's all right.
Zero to rip your face off in 1 second.
That's right. You gotta watch out.
No, right?
Mine has a whip for a tail.
This way.
No such thing as bad dogs, just bad owners.
I'm so excited. Is this fun? Is this fun? Yes.
Oh. Loving it, isn't it? Yeah, I think when it's open, they open up more of the stuff. It's just, they're not open. Sure. You know it. I wonder where you disappeared to.
I was walking around the front while you were going around the back.
It's like she got all excited, just forgot about me. $25 a month. You're not in the way. It's not that kind of documentary where people can't be in it. As you can see, the citizen here, who I don't know, but her name's Christine. Well, you can kind of see the path people take. That's crazy. Don't be taking weird pictures of me when I'm not paying attention, woman.
I'm not.
I'm kidding. You can do whatever you want.
Alright, go put this in. Fuck it.